Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to enable notifications in the Vinted application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the profile button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then scroll down a bit and click on the settings button. And then at the notifications section, click on the push notifications button. And next to the enable push notifications section, click on the white circle. And as you can see, a lot of notifications will be enabled, and you can choose what you want to follow. And if you have, for example, one that you're not interested in, for example, like a new follower, then you can just always disable it by clicking on the white circle again. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.